everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. Dee and I are back again with another good one, and if you've been enjoying our series, definitely subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. For those who aren't familiar with us, we each are mothers with children under 4 years old, and we just like to get together to share tips to new parents and just parents in general to make everyday life easier with kids. You know, it gets a little challenging sometimes. We previously worked on a Montessori-inspired playroom, and we did that on a budget of under $150. And our last video was on packing for the entire family in under an hour, and we got it done. Today, we are going in on what I like to call the problem areas in most kitchens. For me, it's my pantry, which is over there, and my fridge, which is over there. I am really more aware of all the food waste happening in my house, and I'm just not happy about it. So I'm actively trying to cut down on waste by meal planning. But it doesn't stop there. It's from buying the food at the grocery store to cooking the food. But there is a key component that I think a lot of families fall short on, which is proper storage of food and proper displaying of the items that you buy.
By having an organized pantry and fridge, kitchen in general, parents save time, they save money, they always have things to cook like homemade food, and they will always have snacks on the go, and that's priceless. The kitchen is the heart of the house. Making things easy and accessible to everyone in your house is my goal.
Tip 1. Purge.
Discard any expired food and donate unopened food that you are not going to consume.
Tip 2. Categorize.
Think of baking supplies, bulk items, breakfast, kids' snacks, pasta, canned food, and others.
Tip 3. Organize.
Make things easy to everybody in your family to maintain and be able to find what you need. Use clear containers and pretty labels.
Tip 4. Create stations.
Keep snacks and healthy food on kids' level so they can help themselves.
Tip 5. Meal prep.
Pre-pack snack bags of fruits and vegetables. Pick one day of the week and work on your meal prep for a couple of hours. That will discourage food waste and save you time when you are busy.
Thanks for watching our series. I wanted to let you guys know that I do most of my shopping on Amazon, but if you do have the time, get out, get on foot, and go to your Ross, your local Ross, or Marshall, Sam's Club. Sam's Club is actually really good. I find that they do compete with Amazon prices. In my description below, I linked to some of the fridge starter kits that I bought and pantry kits. And you can also go on Dee's website where you can find the shop my favorite section there. She'll tell you all about it.
For more tips and hands-on organizing, you can always contact me, and you find me on my website and my social media at thesorganized.com.
Thanks for watching.